Aliens, aeroplanes, space things, strange things, or maybe nothings. I know they're not nothings. What I'm going to show to you is a series of videos. Strange events is the best I can describe them as. And the first thing straight up, intelligent life. It seems to be hard to find. So, what are these things? For me, I believe the first time I captured them was October of this year, 2024. And I've had serious holdbacks with wanting to release any of it, just simply because I don't know. And I do at the same time. It's not meant to be, I don't know, fear mongering or anything like that, because that's not what any of this is about. Not for me, anyway. But I have noticed throughout my life, when something appears once and catches your attention, that's a pretty phenomenal thing. When it happens twice, that's second to rare. But when it happens 3 times and then a fourth, what's going on? I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna run one after another, and I won't run the whole things. Just so you know, the average length of each video is anywhere from a minute to about 5-6. And I think there might be like 3, 4, 5 in succession. And you can draw your own conclusions. This stuff's been happening apparently all over the world. Yeah. So, anyway, be safe, keep on shining. We out.
This right now is about, sorry, I'm trying to keep it steady. Whatever the hell that is, dude. Check this out, y'all. Okay, so there's the other stars. Not doing that. Whatever the fuck that is. It's like them videos of flashing in the sky. Just goes like on and on and on. Y'all can see that, right? Like, way up in there. I go up on that one, okay? Just like that. Just sitting there hovering. This is the same spot. I seen this before, bro. What is going on in the universe, man? This is wild, yo. I don't know if y'all been looking at the sky and stuff. I see these videos all the time, but like, I should have like seen it for real. I don't know. This is weird. So hearing all these shots are like